currently in Denmark, in Hirtshals, what I call the end of the road, because it's actually the end of the road. There is over there a ferry port that take goods and cars and everything from its connection between here and Norway. The weather is not so good. It's the end of June and it's 16 Celsius with wind. You can see behind me here, it's also have a camping spot and obviously the lighthouse. And this is Hirtshals, the village itself. It's kind of a meeting point of people that coming from all across Europe to the easiest way to go to Norway. This is the shortest cross. I think it's around 5 hours by ferry. And also Norwegians come here often to buy beverages and a lot of other stuff because it's much more cheap. I was sitting here with a bunch of guys from Norway and they say the ferry include all the purchases and even paying the tax. It's more cheap to do this than to buy the same in Norway. So, and this is expensive for most of other places in Europe, yes. And there is another ferry coming. The center of Hirtshals is normally nice, but unfortunately they are digging the hell out of it and there is no view possible over the marina.